Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam, and I have another unboxing for you. She says that she makes sure her name or address isn't showing all over, and I don't know why it bothers me that stickers are on boxes, but it does. Okay, so I have an unboxing for you today, and I would say that in general, I am not influenced hardly at all.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Stop it. That's not nice or true. I would say, like, I know Kami talks a lot about being influenced to buy things. And I would say, if you look at my collection, I am not real influenced to buy. I have, Portland leather goods I had a little bit of an issue with. But,
Little.
in general, I kind of, like I like to think, kind of march to the beat of my own drum. I do pick out...
I think there's several drums and they're all very loud.
Okay, but still, they're not like everybody else's. My collection doesn't look like everybody else's because I tend to get all different colors and kind of like one of each and one of every color. And I mean, but I love color and that makes me, I think, a little more unique as well. But I have to say that this purchase wasn't like influenced as far as fear of missing out. That wasn't it at all, because I don't have that fear, especially not with this. But I think I just saw this so many times that I just decided that actually I could use it. And see, what happens with this is this is a bag that is a smaller bag. Clearly, the box is tiny. And normally I don't use small bags unless I'm like on vacation. So on vacation, I like to use my wallet on chain from Chanel or my little Gucci up there. It's a little like camera bag or phone bag right here. And then I thought, well, you know, that's really nice. I'm glad I use them. I kind of bang them around. And then I'm thinking, well, you know, do you really shouldn't be banging around? I mean, like the walks, they're about $3,000 now. The thing that was about $800, so that's still kind of pricey for something to kind of just bang around in. So that made me think that, okay, then this was not a bad idea, that I could use this instead, and then I don't have to feel bad that I'm using as expensive a bag to
bang around.
Yeah, on vacation. So I got myself another Coach bag, I should say. But I bought a few Coach things lately. My black bag, my backpack, but I'm gonna say Yoda got me on this one. She has been becoming, yeah, you can put her on the list.
Oh, she's on it.
She has been the tabby queen. And she said she got influenced to buy this because of Marie Louise Loves Luxury. But
is she a cat lady?
Stop. But Yoda showed this, and then I was like, that is it. She's saying everybody needs these, and I don't know that everybody needs these, but I got the Coach Tabby 20 in black, and I
probably take the styrofoam off.
I got it from Neiman Marcus, so I got it when there was I don't know, some kind of deal or discount or whatever. You get something free, and oh no, Rakuten had a lot off. I think 20%. Maybe that was
You're on
it.
so many different sites.
Know.
Who can follow?
Right, I can't remember what it was. Somehow there was a deal, and so I got it, and I thought.
By that you mean it was for sale?
Yeah. So this will replace this.
Oh.
Clearly, this will hold more than this will.
Clearly.
And it's like that's $3,000. This wasn't. And so, what was this? What's the tag say on this one?
Sucker.
No, it does not. $3.95, and I know I didn't pay that for it. But so I got this, and there's been a ton of videos online of these, so I won't go into a ton of detail about it or do a whole lot because
that's got a weird strap.
There's probably this is styrofoam.
Oh,
there's probably a lot more people that have done this and can do it better than me. But basically, let's just give you the basics then. Okay, first off, this is nice and quilted. And it's got this super soft leather. Here's one side. This is a nice chain. You can see a little bit of it here. Just got a nice chain with leather in it, similar to a Chanel bag.
Would you consider that black or gunmetal?
Well, that's a good question. I would say black. It does have a back pocket here. The interior is like a canvas. And then it has this, I believe this is a crossbody strap. But here, let's go. Okay, so front, side, back side with the pocket. The other side that has the keychain. And this actually is a flap bag. We open this up.
You need the bottom.
Oh, sorry about that. There are no feet. Just a nice bottom. The bag is quilted, like I said. Then you open it up.
So it's like northern bath tissue?
And there's a flap. There is a flap here. So let's open it up. Oh, that's magnetic. I like that. And quiet. So that opens up to a pocket. And there's like a lining in here. Like it's almost like a canvas, a white canvas. So there's the flap there. And then the whole thing opens up to a bigger compartment that they put lots of stuff in. So nothing happens.
It's like a clown purse.
Right? So there's this big compartment and then this smaller compartment. And boy, you could use this as a little pocket if you had something tiny you wanted to put in there. And yeah, that's really all there is to it here. I'm not going to take all the wrapping off the strap right now while you're watching here. How's this work? Okay, good. So it clips in. But I just thought this was really cute, and I thought it would serve the same purpose as my walk or my camera bag. And it's black, so it won't get dirty. And it's super soft, and it's super cute. And
you feel better banging that one around? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, it's so cute. I wanted one. I didn't get the bigger one. Well, I would really like the bigger size, but those are like $700 or $750, and I'm like, no, that I'm not going to spend. But I can do this price, and especially on sale. And so I am just really excited by this. I wondered what I would think of it. Like I said, I'm not a small bag girl generally, because I like to carry too much stuff with me. But on vacation, I always bring my purse. And then once we get checked in for the week, then I usually downgrade to a tinier purse. So this will be absolutely perfect. This one was always just a little bit too small.
I think the word you're looking for is downsize.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just really pleased with this. This is cute. Now, I won't be like Yoda and buy white. And buy, what does she buy? Gray, and then buy, I don't know, she bought a lot. Oh, she bought the Kiss one.
The Rock Band?
No. But this black is sharp. I'm not going to lie. This is really sharp.
So she's
bag.
like you in that she bought the same bag just in multiple colors.
Yes, let's go with that. She's just like me.
Peas in a pod.
Right? So that's what I have for you today. I was just really excited to get this. I know everybody's got them. It seems like
I don't.
They're like belly button bags. Everyone has one, but I didn't. And
is that an innie or an outie?
These definitely an outie.
Okay.
I'm just really excited. I'm not usually a small bag girl, and this is exciting to me. This is a sharp bag. I mean, to me, I would use this. I mean, it's even got the 4 holes here, so you can move the strap around like a Chanel flap bag, and the chain with the leather in it. I mean, this is really a nice bag. Kudos to Coach. I really, really like it, and I knew I wanted it, but I didn't know I was going to like it this much, because now it's kind of like, well, maybe I do need more than one color of it. I don't.
Can I get that in writing?
No. But, so that's what I have for you today. I won't go on any further about it. I do want to thank you very much for watching, though. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about the bag, let me know. Put them down in the comments down below. I'll be glad to answer them. Actually, I love when you leave comments, so if you could leave comments down below, that's always great. I do answer all my comments and read all my comments, and Really helps me feel like I get to know everybody just a little bit better when you do that. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. I'd love to hit up like 2,000 people.
Subscribers.
That's the word I was looking for.
Today's
yes.
word of the day is subscriber.
And that would be great if I could get more. You can hit the little bell notification. Notifies you every time I put up a video. And you can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I usually post on Instagram about once a week. It's generally a bag of the week. And then I'll show my SLGs. I have a lot of SLGs. So each week I switch out my bag and then I switch out my SLGs. So you'll see what SLGs I use for the week and how they kind of fit in the bag. It's kind of like a what fits our bag spill. And then occasionally I'll do a couple other pictures, or mostly Insta Reels though. Over there, I'm at James Jam there as well. It's JAME_us_jam. I put out videos on YouTube generally twice a week. Try to make it every Wednesday and every Saturday. And I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
I think that's in a Rod Stewart song. No, I'm serious.
What?
The Do Unto Others. I think it's Young Hearts.
Okay.
We'll check. But thanks.
Good. Okay.